In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tickets on Bookmyshow. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you this process through the mobile app that they have available for Android and iOS devices. First off, it's very important that you go ahead and you update the app before starting the process I'll show you in this video. By having the latest version available, you can make sure that you won't run into any issues and that you can follow the steps I show you on screen. Within the app, open it up and access the menu on the right side of the screen by clicking the three lines or three dots, and then access your orders. First off, I want to make a disclaimer and say that not all tickets available within Bookmyshow are refundable. So to check this, like I said, go into the My Orders page and click the specific ticket order that you've made. In there, this is how it should look like to you. As you can see, on this ticket, I only have the option to contact support or cancel it altogether. On some tickets, you might have the option to directly transfer them from this window. Like I just said, if you do not see the transfer option, that means that that specific ticket is non-transferable and there's nothing you can do about it. If you still wish to go ahead and maybe try to transfer, select the Contact Support option I've highlighted and describe your issue. Alternatively, you do need to cancel the booking and make two separate purchases for anyone who's attending the show. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer tickets on Bookmyshow. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.